Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder for weight gain. Start by calculating your calorie surplus target and pick a powder that fits your goals. Blend 1 to 3 scoops with milk, oats, nut butter, and banana for a dense shake. Use a shaker or blender and drink post-workout or between meals to increase daily intake. Track progress and adjust portions as you build muscle and gain weight. Look at macronutrients and price per serving when choosing a powder. If you need quick recovery and muscle gain, consider whey concentrate or isolate depending on tolerance. For hard gainers, mass gainer formulas give carbs and calories in each scoop. If you prefer plant proteins, mix pea and rice for a complete amino acid profile. Always check sugars and artificial additives and opt for powders that fit your daily calorie plan. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is brilliant at keeping floors tidy with voice control, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time prepping shakes and meals. It's easy to set up and saves time in a busy routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use protein powder as a flexible tool to boost meal calories and protein without losing meal quality. Make smoothies with milk, oats, nut butter, honey, and fruit for a balanced, high-calorie option. Stir powder into pancakes or yogurt when you want solid food with extra protein. Time shakes around workouts, between meals, or before bed to meet your calorie target. Adjust scoop count to reach consistent weekly weight gain goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.